Dongguan Xinli Jewellery Company Limited, located in Dongguan, with stable and efficient supply chains and strict income and quality control. 250,000 pieces of jewelry are being produced monthly in our factory. For the peak season, with the comprehensive control system, we could manage to increase the scalable productivity. Xinli Jewelry has been known as a reliable vendor to the leading brands in 316L stainless steel. Xinli Jewelry heavily invested in product development and turn around 350 designs monthly. By far, there are more than 30,000 designs in our showroom for selection. Not only we continue to launch the new designs, but also your ideas or designs will be assisted to become reality. The customer proprietary will be well protected under the non-disclosure agreement. With the advanced facility, craftsmanship expertise, and effective production control system, Xinli Jewelry is committed to being a trouble-free procurement provider, offering supreme quality and trendy products to the brands at a punctual, fast turnaround schedule, which makes 2 weeks for the prototyping and 30 days for production. To strengthen the durability, we developed a technique to put the extra epoxy layer to protect the crystal from falling. Our team, the experienced fashion jewelry manufacturing expert with a deep understanding of the current fashion business, is looking forward to working with you, helping you to make the concepts into satisfied products. Our inspiration, your innovation.